In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a zero spread account on Exness. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your Exness personal area, and then from here, go to Trading, top left, and click on Accounts. Now, from your accounts, you want to pick if you want a real or demo account, but from here, the process is going to be the exact same. So I'm going to go Demo, and I'm going to hit Open Account. You should click on that. And then from here, under Professional Accounts, you can see at the bottom, there's the zero account. So this is zero spread over here. Just click on it and click on Continue. Once you've done this, again, you can switch if you want demo or a real account. And then whenever you do this, you can see down here, you can select currency, starting balance, your nickname, and then your leverage, and of course, the platform you want to use as well. You also want to type in the password you want to use for your trading account, and then click on Create Account. Once you've done this, there we go, your account has been created, and you can know it's zero because it says zero next to it over here, okay? So that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.